Trying to delete your TikTok account permanently? Here's how to do it right way. So first you have to open up your TikTok and go to your profile. Now tap the hamburger menu, then go to settings and privacy. Now select your account and here we'll see the option deactivate or delete account. Now choose delete account permanently and select a reason for deleting your account. And after that, tap continue and TikTok will give you the option to download your data before deletion. So you can easily save it if you want, then tap continue. So here you will see a message that your TikTok account will be deactivated for 30 days and after this period, it will be deleted permanently. So during this 30 days, you can easily reactivate your account if you change your mind. So next TikTok will ask you to verify your account. So enter the code sent to your email or phone, then confirm deletion twice. So once done, your TikTok account will be deleted permanently. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.